In this video, I'll show you how to create knockout text in Canva so your image shows through the letters for a clean cutout effect. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and choose any size you want, like Instagram post or a custom square canvas. Now, add your background image first. Go to Photos or Uploads and place the image onto your canvas. This will be the image that shows through your text. Next, add a shape on top of the image. Go to Elements and insert a rectangle. Resize it so it covers the area where you want the knockout effect. Change the shape color to something solid like white or black. Now, add your text on top of that shape. Use a bold, thick font because thin fonts don't show the effect clearly. Resize the text so it overlaps the shape nicely. Here's the key step. Select both the text and the shape by dragging your cursor over them. Then click Combine in the top toolbar and choose Subtract. This removes the text from the shape, creating transparent letter cutouts. Now place this cutout shape over your background image. You'll see the image showing through the letters, which creates the knockout text effect. Adjust the image position underneath if you want different parts visible inside the text. Once you are happy with the result, click Share, then Download and choose PNG or JPG. And that's it. That's how you create knockout text in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.